Slack is often the backbone of your company, whether you're remote or in office. For remote companies, Slack becomes the centerpiece of everyone's work, from morning till evening. The Slack workspace is where culture happens. It's the heart of the company when working remotely. Organize channels to create a digital office in Slack. One channel per team, department, and temporary projects. Set statuses for lunch hours and meetings. Integrate Google Calendar for automatic status updates. Make sure employees configure their notification schedule to avoid disturbances across different time zones. Create a Kudos channel and animate it with Clappy Kudos to keep employee recognition active. Install a birthday app like Billy the Birthday Bot to celebrate birthdays and work anniversaries. Set up a random coffee app like Alfie to help employees meet and get to know each other. When correctly set up, Slack becomes a strong partner in your company's success, especially for remote workers. Invest time and money to make Slack as efficient and welcoming as possible for your remote team.